Navigate to the Exceptions page in MyGeotab by either clicking Groups and Rules, then Exceptions, or searching for Exceptions in the menu. In the top toolbar, you can adjust the date range, rules, assets, etc. you would like included in the report. Click Filters for additional options. Adjust the report options, then click Apply when ready. Select an exception to see which assets broke the rule. Select an asset to view its violations. Select any violation event to analyze it further. From this overview page, review the full event details, including a timeline of events and a map view. Click View Speed Profile to compare the asset's speed to the posted speed limit. Hover your mouse over any moment on the speed profile graph to see the date and time, logged speed, and speed limit. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial for how to uncover rule violations with the Exceptions report.